Hello everyone, I am Arun Patil, working as Associate Professor in RC Patel Arts, Commerce and Science College, Shirpur. Today I have prepared video presentation on sustainability of solar power plant for International FDP on Environment and Sustainability. Before going to today's presentation, in the first week I have prepared the video presentation on introduction to solar power plant and their working conditions. In the second week I have prepared video presentation on green norms, industrial norms for installation of solar power plant. The outcomes of these videos are: solar energy resource is green, non-polluting, sustainable source of energy, working of solar power plant and its sustainability, planning for solar power plant installation is necessary to fulfill the present and future energy needs, industry norms, green norms are applicable for the installation of solar power plant. In today's video presentation, I have discussed some ISO standards for solar power plant. ISO 14084 is for the preparation of process diagrams for power plant. It is applicable for the preparation of diagrams for process industry. ISO 22975 is for collector components and materials, absorber surface durability. It is applicable to the determination of the long-term behavior and service life of selective solar absorber. It specifies a failure criterion of a solar absorber based on changes in optical performance of the absorber. Also, it specifies durability testing procedures. ISO 22975 is for collector components and materials regarding insulation material durability and performance. It is applicable to document specifies requirement on insulation materials for solar collectors and test methods for durability and performance. This document is applicable to all types of insulation materials used in solar collectors. The graph represents the comparison of life cycle of CO2 emissions for different sources. In this, solar power carbon footprint is the small compared to coal, natural gas and biomass energy source. Solar energy produces around 39 grams of carbon dioxide per kilowatt hour of electricity generated. Solar energy is a renewable free source of energy that is sustainable, inexhaustible, non-polluting source of energy. It does not emit any greenhouse gases. Solar energy is sustainable energy and more sustainable than fossil fuel energy source. Solar power plant sustainable for 25 to 30 years, but regular maintenance is required. The output of solar plant depends on the size of solar panel and collector component and materials regarding absorber surface durability, insulation material durability and performance of PV cell. For example, for a 250 watts solar panel getting 5 hours of sunlight per day, having 75% capacity factor, then energy produced is given by the formula solar panel watts into average hours of sunlight into 75%, which is equal to 250 watts into 5 hours into 0.75. This gives 937.5 watts hour per day, and which is equal to 0.937 kilowatt hours per solar panel per day. The electricity generated in the output of a photovoltaic system is given by E is equal to A into R into H into PR, where E is equal to energy in kilowatt, A is equal to total solar panel area in meter square, R is equal to efficiency in percentage, H is equal to annual average solar radiation in tilted panels, PR is equal to performance ratio, coefficient for losses. For example, to calculate the electricity generated in output of a photovoltaic system with an area of 20 meters square, efficiency is 15% and H is equal to 1250 watt per meter square. Then putting all these values in the formula, E is equal to A into R into H into PR, which is equal to 20 into 0.15 into 1250 into 0.75, which is equal to 2812.5 watt, which is equal to 2.8125 kilowatt. Efficiency is the ratio of energy out from the solar cell to input energy. The formula for the efficiency is given by eta is equal to P out upon P in, where P in is equal to input power and P out is equal to VOC into ISC into FF, where VOC is the open circuit voltage, ISC is the short circuit current, FF is the fill factor, eta is the efficiency. The input power for efficiency calculation is 1 kilowatt per meter square or 100 milliwatt per centimeter square. Thus, the input power for a 100 into 100 mm square cell is 10 watt, and for a 156 into 156 mm square cell is 24.3 watt. The efficiency of the solar cell used in a photovoltaic system in combination with latitude and climate determines the annual energy of the system. For example, a solar panel with 20% efficiency having 1 meter square produces 200 kilowatt per year at standard condition, but it can produce more when the sun is high in the sky and produces less in the cloudy condition or when the sun is low in the sky. The concluding remark of the presentation is solar power plant contributing to sustainable development. Solar energy is renewable free source of energy that is sustainable. Solar energy is sustainable energy and is more sustainable than fossil fuel energy sources. It is non-polluting source of energy. It does not emit any greenhouse gases. It creates a local employment and helping to stimulate the growth of renewable energy development. Thank you.